begin with the breaking news that's coming at the moment. Centre has discharged Pooja Khedkar from IAS service. Pooja Khedkar has been sacked with immediate effect. That's the latest that's coming in. Remember, several allegations against Pooja Khedkar, now former IAS officer. They're still being investigated by the probe agencies, but as far as her tenure as an IAS is concerned, that has ended. The centre has discharged Pooja Khedkar from IAS. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us with more on this. Pragya, this was not unexpected. This was in fact expected, considering the kind of allegations that have been pressed against Pooja Khedkar. But now finally the fraud IAS officer being discharged from the service.
Well, you're absolutely right. The order has now come, and it is a single-member committee that has in fact concluded what went wrong in Pooja Khedkar's case. And it is under Rule 12 of, I would say, Probation Rules 1954 that she has been discharged of the duties. That rule states that if any probationer is found ineligible to be continued in the service, he or she should be discharged with immediate effect. This is what the order also says. And it also says that not just Rule 12 of Probation Act, she has also violated Rule 3 of Civil Services Examination Law, which says that you have a mandatory limit of the exam number of tests that you can take and number of times you can take that exam. She has exceeded those limits between 2012 and 2020. The limit was over, but she got, she took another exam and got it cleared in 2022. Maximum number of attempts that she could take was 9 under the category of OBC and person with benchmark disability. This was her, this was a category in which she could take only 9 attempts of the exam, but she took more than that. This was also found by the single-member committee, and all that has been taken into consideration, and now the government has come out with the notification discharging her of the duties with immediate effect.
Right, Pragya, thanks very much for joining us with all those details at the moment. With that, viewers,